Hi everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys, and in this video I'm gonna be rocking this highlight wig, and it is from OMG Her Hair. I am so here for this wig. It's also a 360 wig, so you're able to wear it in a updo, ponytail. So if you guys want to see how I install this wig, then please keep on watching. All right, so let's get into this wig from OMG Her Hair. Everything you need for your wig install is included in this box: rat tail comb, melting band, and 2 HD wig caps. This is the wig fresh out the box. 20-inch yaki blonde highlight wig, 180 density. All the hair info will be in the description box down below like usual. All right, so let's get into the hairline. It is flawless. The hairline is pre-plucked, pre-bleach, so you really don't need to do much to it for it to look good, and I'm all here for that. I love that these companies are really stepping up their wig game. Now if you look closely, this wig has a invisible drawstring, which allows you the ability to wear this wig in a high ponytail, and it also has an anti-slip silicone on the very back as well. It gives your wig security in the back, and you don't have to use any lace glue in the back, so it's not necessary. You can just wear and go. This is a glueless wig. Now the drawstrings are super easy to use in adjusting the wig to fit your head perfectly. There are a few combs in the wig. I personally don't like the combs on the sides, so I will remove those. This is definitely optional, so if you like the combs on the side, you can leave them be. I only use the one in the back. Now I've already prepped my head, so I have my ball cap on, and I have a ball cap method video. I will link that video down below. So I'm going to pop this wig on my head now and just adjust it to my liking. Make sure that part is centered. Okay, so this is a glueless wig, and even though it's glueless, I do have to put a little work into it. So this is how it's looking straight out of the box. Now I will let you know this right now, that the adjustment straps on the sides, the clear one, you do have to adjust it while it's on your head for it to fit perfectly. So I've already done that. Now I'm going to go ahead and take out some hair pieces in the front. I do like that widow's peak look. I just feel like the hairline looks more natural. Are you seeing that? It already looks so natural, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side as well. So go ahead and just, this is optional, you don't have to do this. I just think it suits my face a lot better, and I'm going to go in my hot comb just to get some of that hair out of the way, because I don't want to pull any hair that I don't intend on pulling. I want to make sure I'm pulling out the right amount of hair. Okay, so we pulled it. We have that widow's peak look right now, and now I'm going to go ahead and just cut the lace. So I did have to cut the lace around the ear. So I had to cut the lace just so it fits my head properly, because like I said, this wig was just a tad bit big for my head. I do have a small head. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and just flatten it down a bit and just cut any extra lace that I don't want on the wig. Now I'm gonna go in with my melting spray. So this is a My Sticky Little Secret melting spray. This is a melting spray, not a holding spray. I think a lot of people don't realize that. I have mentioned this so many times in my video. Not a holding spray, but it is a melting spray. It's gonna add a little hold, but don't think that this is something that you can wear to the gym and your wig's gonna stay on all day. No, you're not gonna be sweating in this and expect it to stay. It's just a melting spray to have that lace melt down into the skin. Are you seeing that? So I put my melting band on and I took it off within 15 minutes, and look at that. It is melted, and I'm going to go in with some contour color, and I'm just going to apply that along the hairline just to tint the lace a bit. You can also use a tinting spray, but I use my contour shade to do this. Now I'm going to go in with my hot comb once again just to flatten down the wig, and I use some hair wax to do so. I don't like using too much hair wax because I find that it will leave the wig feeling greasy, so try not to use too much of the hair wax, but I just add it to the top. It really does help to flatten it. And as you can see, I'm going with the hair wax at the side of the hair as well, and I'm going to go in with the hot comb once again just to style the hair and just flatten it down so it doesn't look high and lumpy and bumpy. So I'm really loving how the widow's peak turned out. So now I'm going to add some layers, and as you can see, I'm not using scissors. I'm using my eyebrow razors, and it works perfectly fine, but I know it's not the best choice. So I'm just adding some layers to the front. I love the highlighted wig, and I'm going to go in with this flat iron, and I'm going to go ahead and straighten out my hair. And I am so here for the layers look with the highlights, and this is pretty much how it looks down. So I'm gonna do a quick updo. Honestly, nothing special. So I'm just taking out 2 pieces and I'm just putting a clip in the back of my head. I just want you guys to see what the back of the wig looks like. So this is how it looks when it's in an updo, but it's kind of low. Now I'm gonna add a ponytail. Now this is how mine's looking. It's not super perfect in the back. Also keep in mind, like I said, this wig was just a little bit too big for my head, but I've seen other videos where the girls, like, it literally looks so flawless in the back. Mine, like I said, was just the wig was just a tad bit big for me, but I absolutely love this hair. I love this wig. I love this highlight. I'm so here for it. And I haven't done a center part in a while, and I know I'd be low-key hating on center part sometimes, but I actually really love it. So it turned out really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something, and I will put all the hair info in the description box down below, so make sure you check out OMG her hair. I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching this video.